Hi, I'm Dennis Riccio, Realtor here in Payson, Arizona. Wildfire preparedness in Payson and Rim Country is no longer just a fire season issue. It is becoming a real estate issue, an insurance issue, a lending issue, and a property value issue. For homeowners, buyers, and sellers in communities like Payson, Pine, Strawberry, Star Valley, and Christopher Creek, wildfire risk may affect whether a home can be insured, financed, marketed, and sold. I recently attended the Northern Gila County Fire Chiefs Wildfire Symposium, and one of the biggest takeaways was that wildfire risk has to be addressed at both the community level and the individual home level. Forest health, fire response, and community planning all matter. But the condition of the home itself, including the roof, gutters, vents, decks, landscaping, and the first 5 feet around the structure, can be critical. A home can ignite from wind-blown embers if there are pine needles on the roof, combustible materials against the house, firewood stacked too close, unscreened vents, a wood fence attached to the home, or debris under a deck. That is why programs like Wildfire Prepared Home are becoming more important. They focus on practical steps homeowners can take to reduce ignition risk, especially in the first 0 to 5 feet around the home. This also matters because insurance is becoming a bigger part of the real estate transaction. For years, many buyers waited until late in escrow to finalize insurance. In today's market, that can create problems. If insurance is expensive, limited, subject to mitigation requirements, or unavailable, it can affect loan approval, affordability, and the buyer's ability to close. I recently spoke with Eric Santana of a local State Farm branch in Payson. His informal local observation was that wildfire-related certification, or compliance with fire-safe guidelines, is becoming more important for many homes in our area. Insurance companies are paying closer attention to wildfire risk. If you are buying, contact your insurance professional early, preferably during the inspection period. Ask whether coverage is available, whether wildfire coverage is included, whether there are exclusions or deductibles, whether mitigation is required, and whether the premium could affect your loan qualification. Do not wait until the end of escrow. If you are selling, wildfire preparedness may now be part of preparing your home for market. Clearing roofs and gutters, improving defensible space, screening vents, moving firewood away from the home, and reducing debris under decks may help reduce buyer concerns and avoid insurance surprises. The good news is that homeowners are not powerless. Here are 5 things homeowners can do this month. Clear roofs and gutters, move firewood and combustible storage away from the home, improve the 0 to 5 foot non-combustible zone, check vents for ember-resistant screening or 1/8 inch metal mesh, and call an insurance professional early if buying, selling, or renewing coverage. Wildfire preparedness is about more than protecting individual homes. It is also about protecting neighborhoods, insurability, affordability, property values, and the long-term strength of our communities. If you are buying or selling in Payson or Rim Country, this issue should be part of the conversation early. I'm Dennis Riccio, Realtor in Payson, Arizona. Thanks for watching.